Mr. Jacques, who works with CRS, Catholic Relief Services. He's one of the regional staff in Burkina Faso. He's going to tell us about the warehouse for food.
Well, here is the warehouse of all the program of CRS Food, USAID Foundation Food, and USDA Food. Here is maybe some vegetable oil used to share in schools for small children. And here is some food distributed in the schools too.
This is lentils, huh? Here's lentils. Okay.
Lentils.
Good.
It's lentils.
Okay, so then this is rice too, huh?
Yes, it's
so
rice.
If CRS talks about rice bowl, the rice program during Lent every year, this is what they're talking about, huh?
Yes, of course. Just to say that welcome to all help we'll receive in helping hand projects and activities, and to ensure you that all is safely and secured here before going to the mail beneficiaries.
Good. So this is the central warehouse where before the rice is distributed to all the villages, etc. It gathers here, gets stored.
Deep villages are very far from the countries, the central and the cities, because there are the poorest. As CRS used to say, we are here to fight against poverty, to help poorest people.